Hello guys, this is Kherk Roldan, and in this video I'm going to guide you on how you can do GMB creation and also GMB posting. Alright? So this Q&A, these are the features of Google Business Profile or GBP. So this part, we have a section where potential customers can ask questions about your business, and also the user can respond with their answers, right? So by doing this, you can set up a well-managed Q&A section on your GBP profile, and it also allows you to guide potential customers, boost engagement, and also optimize for local search visibility. So right now guys, I'm going to guide you on how you can do that. The very first thing that you need to do is you need to go to google.com/business, and then once you're here, you need to make sure that you are already logged into your Gmail account. If not, just do it. Okay, after that,
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kherkroldanseo.com.
just go to manage now or here. Click that one. Once you are already in that email address that has a GBP, you can see the same screen that I have right now. Alright, so I guess you're very familiar with this one. Okay, now you can also go to business.google.com if you have multiple location. So if you have multiple location, it can show here, and then you just need to click see your profile. It's the same guys, you can go directly to the same screen that I have, right? Okay, you can see there's a Q&A button or section here guys. Just click that one, and here if you have multiple Q&As, you can see it here in this section. Okay, and yeah, we can go to ask a question if you want to add a question, and we can also answer that one later on. So here are a few questions you can consider asking. All right, so first, what is your service area? What's your service? Do you only serve this amount or this customer? It's either commercial.
Presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
Industrial, residential. What's your standard pricing? Do you offer free consultation? Do you have 24/7 emergency service? Do you have a support available? Can you help us with this one? So those are an example of the questions that you can ask here, okay? After making a question, you can also see all the questions here guys, okay? Now let's try to answer the questions that it's added here. Just go to answer, and then you can type your answers here. So here are the criteria. I want you to follow this because this is very important as well that you need to follow. You need to be very clear by answering questions. You need to be concise as well. You will also add helpful answers here. And I also want you to follow this guys, okay? These are the prohibited and restricted content that you can't add inside the Q&A session. Like for example, fake engagement, impersonation, misinformation, misrepresentation. Just follow this one guys. Just go to support@google.com, contribution policy and answer. Okay, this is very important that you need to know. All right. Also, Google allocates points through the local guide system. So for example, when people answer Google Business Profile questions, so note that Google allocates points through the local guide system. So for example, when people answer Google Business Profile questions, there is an incentive for local guides, okay? So if you have a local guides account, then that's really great for you. And also this is very important feature. You can go to these three dots here, click notification, and you need to make sure that this is checked. if you want to receive a notification every time someone asking questions or also answering the questions, so you will get notified. By the way guys, I have an SOP. The GMB Q&A creation and posting is included here if you buy the package, and I have 100 plus SOPs that included as well on how to do SEO, link building, technical SEO, on-page, keyword research, and more. And this is updated guys every time. Alright, if you have follow-up questions, let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.